Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Hotmail to many request error or Outlook error 429. All right, so first up, gotta open up your problematic browser, for example, Google Chrome right here. So just gotta go to the top right and click on three dots. Now click on settings. Okay. In here, go to the left panel and click on privacy and security. And here, go to third-party cookies. Okay. Now in here, just go ahead and find see all site data and permissions. Click on it. Now go to the search bar and type in Outlook. Okay. You'll be able to find live.com. If you want to, you gotta straight up delete this one or go to the drop down and just select Outlook Live. All right. But the best option here should just delete all. Then once done, close the browser, open it up again. And once done, you should be good to go. Okay, if that will work, go to the extensions tab, click on three dots, click on extensions and manage extensions. If you have multiple extensions right here, just make sure that you turn off all or disable all. And once done, again, restart the browser and check if it helps. Now, if that doesn't work, go ahead and download a different browser. Okay, could be Brave right here. This one is a browser. Okay, or you go ahead and download Safari, Firefox, and some other options. That is it. That's how you fix this issue for Outlook or Hotmail. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.